Your RAG is lying to you. It sounds confident, and it cites your documents. And it's still wrong. Here's why it sucks. And the 3 fixes that actually work. You built a RAG pipeline, embedded your docs, hooked up a vector search, but the answers are vague or confidently made up. The problem usually isn't the model, it's the retrieval. Problem 1, bad chunking. Split your documents mid-sentence or too big, and each chunk is meaningless. Garbage chunks in, garbage context out. The fix? Chunk by meaning, not by character count. Keep whole ideas together, add a little overlap so context isn't lost at the edges. Better chunks, instantly better answers. Problem 2, similar isn't relevant. Vector search finds the closest chunks, but close in meaning doesn't mean it answers the question. You get related noise, not the actual answer. The fix? Add a reranker. Retrieve a bunch of candidates with vector search. Then let a smarter model reorder them by actual relevance. Cheap step, huge quality jump. Problem 3, you dump 20 chunks into the prompt and drown the model. The fix? Send fewer, better chunks. Quality of context beats quantity, every single time. Fix your chunking, add a reranker, trim your context, and your RAG stops lying. Retrieval is the whole game. This has been How to Fix Your RAG.